English speaking practice. Excuse me?
Yes, tell me.
Good morning, friend.
Good morning.
How are you?
I am good.
Do you speak English?
Of course, I can speak English.
What is your name?
My name is Olivia.
What are you ready to speak in English?
Yes, I am ready to speak in English.
Do you have a ticket?
Yes, I have a ticket.
Where do you live?
I live in London.
What is your marital status?
I'm married.
How old are you?
I'm 28 years old.
Where were you born?
I was born in South Africa.
When is your birthday?
My birthday is on the September 9th.
How many children do you have?
I have 2 children.
Where are you from?
I'm from Japan.
Do you have a fever?
Yes, I have a fever of 102 degrees.
What do you do?
I'm a doctor.
Do you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
When do you usually get up?
I usually get up at 7 a.m.
What does your father do?
My father is a teacher.
Have you been to London?
Yes, I was in London.
Do you exercise regularly?
Yes, I do exercise regularly.
When do you have a lunch?
I usually have lunch at noon.
Do you drink coffee?
Yes, I like to drink coffee.
How long do I have to wait?
About 30 minutes.
How was your day?
Of course, it was day fun.
Do you like cooking?
Yes, I love cooking.
What do you have for breakfast?
Usually, I have eggs and pancakes for breakfast.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is cronut.
What do you want to drink?
I want to drink a green tea.
What time do you have breakfast?
I have breakfast at 8 a.m.
Anything else?
Nothing else.
What happened to you?
I had an accident.
Do you want to be rich?
Of course, I want to be rich.
Where do you have pain?
I have head and finger pain.
Do you think I'm to blame?
Yes, I think you are guilty.
What are your hobbies?
I like shopping and reading books.
Do you need this book?
Yes, I am looking for this book.
Where is your brother?
He is playing football.
Do ghosts exist?
Yes, there are ghosts in that room.
Would you mind opening the window?
Of course, I will make some nasty comments.
Do you know how to drive?
Yes, I have completed a driving course.
Are you afraid of snakes?
Yes, I am very afraid of snakes.
Do you think it's my fault?
Of course, it's your fault.
Do you know where he lives?
Yes, he now lives in Canadian Tire.
What does Zara do?
She is a teacher.
Do you know him?
Yes, he is my childhood friend.
Do you accept credit cards?
No, we do not accept credit cards.
Do you like basketball?
Yes, I like basketball.
Do you have everything?
No, I need a laptop and iPhone 12 Pro.
What do you want to do?
I want to open a company.
Do you think I'm handsome?
No, you're terrible.
Do you give to charity?
Yes, I love to donate.
Do you deliver on Sundays?
Of course, I deliver on Sundays.
Who do you think you are?
I think I'm an innocent girl.
What do you do on Sunday?
I play sports on Sundays.
What are you going to do?
I'm going to buy a laptop.
Do you know that hotel?
Yes, I know that hotel.
Do you like Korean food?
Yes, I like Korean food.
Do you know where he went?
I think he has gone to lunch.
Do you smoke?
No, I'm not too fond of smoking.
Do you have many friends?
No, I don't have friends.
Do you think I'm stupid?
Maybe, but I'm not sure.
Do you love me?
No, I don't love you.
Do you talk to your horses?
Yes, sometimes, but not always.
What should I do now?
You should rest now.
Do you have blankets?
No, but I need a blanket.
Why do you ask me?
Because he is a liar.
Do you know him?
Yes, he is my friend.
What do you have?
I have a flower garden.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a pet.
What do you like the dance?
Yes, I like to dance very much.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I like to travel.
Do you have a boyfriend?
No, I don't have a boyfriend.
Do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
Why did she do that?
Because he's mad.